doing Mount Vesuvius, which is in Italy. It last erupted in AD, somewhere between AD 39 till 60. This was during Emperor Nero's reign. And the Great Fire of Rome had recently happened, so for a volcano to erupt meant at the time that the gods were not pleased with his choices or something like that. So now the volcano Vesuvius erupted and buried the two towns of Pompeii and Herculaneum in ash. The lava that most probably came out of the volcano was polyastic lava, which is the really fast kind of lava, and the minute it traps you, you become like stone.